Chris Owens. Owens, y croeso dod y canol, mae'n cael ei ffenio'n glir. Mor bell a Davies, y golwr ni gollwng i a Curran yn rhoi Cei Connah y blaen wedi 12 munud. Wel, Wojciech Gaida oedd i fod i ddechrau'r gêm yn y gol, ond nath o nafu wrth gnesu a Hall ar camgymeriad. Keach ar gig, mae'n taro'r pren, ac yna Pemberton yn ymateb i gefn o'r rhwyd. 10 munud sydd tan yr egwyl, a mae Hwlffordd yn gyfartal, oedd hi'n gig dwyll hodrus, a Pemberton yn ymateb yn wych. Ffacws yn ar tafliad hir, mae'n cael ei ffynio syth allan i Davies ar y foli, mae'n cael ei gwiro, a Curran yno. Wel, uniodd yr un cyfuniad o'r gol yn yr hanner cynta, ond nid camgymeriad y golwr y tro hwn y gwiriad. Yr ergyd gan Davies a Curran mor gyflym, mor effro. Dŵl. Hei, bwy pam fel tasa fe ddim yno. Y bas nawr, tu ôl i'r cefnwr. Mae'n ôl a draws i Eiron Edwards. 2 gol mewn 2 funud. A mae Cei Connah'n edrych yn wahanol tîm yn yr ail hanner. Y bas yn hyfryd. Ac Eiron Edwards, wel, dyna pam Andy Morrison di mynd â fe i lan y dyfrdwy. Curran, y croeso dod y postyn pellaf, Ffacws yn ei fyny'n gri amdani. Y beil ar draws, a Pŵl yn ei gwneud i'n beder i Cei Connah. Wel, am flic hyfryd gan Declan Pŵl. Yr ergyd ar draws gan Williams, y sodliad, yn glyfar, yn hyfryd. Dŵl i Owen, ni gosod yn ôl i Davies. Ydyn nhw'n mynd am y bumed. Eiron Edwards, ennill y peniad yn hyfryd, a Curran! Arbediad da gan Hall. Curran yn mynd am ei hat-trick. Wel, doedd gan Eiron Edwards ddim hawl i ennill y peniad yna yn erbyn 2 amddiffynwr, a Curran mor agos at i gwneud i'n 5 i Cei Connah.
Football's a funny game, it really is, and goals change games. You know, we went with something, we planned something this week, and we dominated again for half an hour. We were relentless, balls into the box. We scored. We should have been 3 up. We don't. We go 1, and we give them a free kick and hits the post and hits their player and goes in, and the game totally changes. It gives them a bit of energy. Second half starts, and you know they've had a great chance right on 46 minutes. I think it was in the first minute. They've missed that, and then the changes. We made one tactical change at half time, and that completely changed the direction of the game. And again, with a little bit more quality and a bit more pass appreciation, it could have been more. It's a right result because we scored 3 goals in the second half, but in the first half we were better. In that first half an hour we were incredible, like, you know, our energy and our power, and we were relentless, but we didn't put the ball in the back of the net.
Disappointed, really disappointed. You know, I think we done well to get back into the game first half. You know, we knew what their threats were, and you know, disappointed in the manner we conceded goals. You know, we had chances, we had enough chances, you know, and if we'd taken them on maybe on another day, it could have been a over game of it. You know, 4-1 is disappointing, and you know, does that reflect the true story of the game? Possibly not, but we're learning. You know, we've got a fairly young group in there, and I think the inexperience today showed.
Bob game dan ni'n cael yn well, a ti'n modd, da ni efo lot o chwaraewyr yn dod nôl o'r Covid, a ti'n modd, mae di rathlo ni dipyn, ond ti'n modd, da ni'n neud answer dda, pigo'r pwyntio fyny, a jyst symud ymlaen am di Mercher rwan.